Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to solve hard integrals. We'll start by identifying the kinds of integrals that often pose a challenge, helping you recognize them quickly. Then, we'll review the fundamental integration techniques that form the bedrock of solving more complex problems. Finally, you'll learn how to strategically choose and apply advanced methods to tackle those truly tough integrals with confidence. Let's dive into the core methods. Integration by parts is crucial for integrals involving products of functions, transforming them into a more manageable form. U substitution, or the substitution rule, simplifies complex expressions by changing variables, often making the integral resemble a basic form. For rational functions, partial fraction decomposition allows you to break down complicated fractions into simpler ones that are easier to integrate. Now, for more advanced strategies. Trigonometric substitution is incredibly useful for integrals containing square root expressions, converting them into trigonometric forms that are often simpler to solve. Reduction formulas help simplify integrals with repetitive patterns, allowing you to express a complex integral in terms of a simpler one. For certain highly complex integrals, especially in higher-level mathematics, techniques like contour integration can provide powerful solutions. Consistent practice is key to mastering integration. Work through a wide range of problems to solidify your understanding and build intuition. Regularly reviewing fundamental calculus concepts will reinforce your knowledge and help you identify the best approach for each integral. For more great deals and the link to the Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check out the description below, along with other valuable resources to deepen your understanding of these challenging topics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.